got to.
Hey guys, what is up? It's Jake here from G-Tech. Today I'm going to show you my epic PC build, gaming PC build for $18,000. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel. Also check out my friend Derek's channel at Harlem Project. He'll be posting some gaming walkthroughs and stuff. I'll have some more videos up soon. Anyway, let's get right into it. So I just kind of went through Newegg and kind of picked out the best components in my mind that would make a really good PC build. So I'll show you this here. Load. Okay, so for the case we have a Roswell Blackhawk Ultra Full Tower case, which is a black and red color scheme with 8 fans. It looks really cool. Plus it's an Ultra, so it's big, and it'll definitely be able to make this build look really good. Here's what it looks like, the inside and everything. There, the top, pretty sweet. Alright, close that out. For the motherboard, we have the Asus Rampage V Extreme gaming mother with 4-way SLI Express. It's pretty sweet. It's got 8 RAM slots. Comes with a no, I don't want to click on that. This fancy little thing right there with the remote. So you can overclock and stuff. It's pretty nice. Next we have an Intel i7 processor, 3.5 gigahertz overclocked. LGA 2011 version 3, 6 core, 3.5 gigahertz, as I said. Pretty nice in my mind. Definitely suits this build. And power wise. Next we have for RAM Crosshair Vengeance, 128 gigs. That is 8 16 gigabyte graphics cards. Both sets will have RAM coolers to fit the color scheme, the black and red. Looks pretty sweet in my mind. Here's some pictures of it. I went with the black because that's the only one you can get the 128 gigs with, and plus the red fans will give it a nice look. Alright, so next we have, for our power supply, we have a EVGA 1600 power supply, gold edition. Looks pretty sweet. I don't know, I just thought it looked pretty sweet, and it was the biggest one, so can't get anything better than this. Pretty customizable. Next we have for our sound card, we have an Asus Strix Sora 8 channels sound card. Here we are. It's just black with the orange, but you won't notice it, so it'll just be black in it. I don't know. Looks nice. I just wanted to put a sound card in it. Yeah, in case like you need it or anything. For our CPU cooler, we have a Deepcool triple fan liquid cooling system. This is the best one. My mind definitely fit the color scheme and everything. Got that nice design red tube right there. The red fans, triple fans that go on top. Yes, it does fit. I checked it out. It's really nice. It'll fit nice, and it will look awesome. So there's some stuff. Next for our GPU, we'll have four ASUS GeForce GTX 980 Ti Strix. Really nice graphics card. I went with this one because of the, as well as the color screen. It's also an ASUS. I'm personally a fan of the ASUS. Always make great everything personally, unless you buy like a entry-level laptop, then it's not worth it. Definitely not worth it, because that's what I have and it sucks really bad. Plus it is overclockable, so there we go. It's got all these fancy little ports here. I don't really want to go into it because I'm lazy. And for that we will also have a ASUS Model 4-way SLI bridge to connect them all. I don't know, I just went with it because it looked really kind of cool and also matches the compatibility with the 4-way Strix GPUs. Next we have for our hard drive or SSD, we went with 4 Samsung 850 Pro 2TB SSDs. Just black and red, this little red stripe, I don't know. I thought this was definitely good. It was the best one I could find, 4 of them, because honestly you're not going to use more than 8 TB of solid state storage. Definitely all you need. With that, you will also put in Roswell cooling mounting kit for the SSDs. There we go. It's just a fan, keep everything cool. I just wanted to get it, make sure it was nice, and I don't know, probably unnecessary, but honestly it's not. Especially if you're doing a lot of overclocking, a lot of intense gaming, you want to keep everything cool, very cool, otherwise it can overheat and damage stuff. Alright, so next we have an ASUS Blu-ray burner. I don't really need to go on that, it's just a Blu-ray burner and disk drive. For our setup, we will have, I'll just start here. We have a Mad Catz Strike 3 gaming keyboard, gaming mechanical keyboard. Very nice Mad Catz. I also went with a Mad Catz mouse, gaming mouse, because just they make good quality stuff, especially for gaming, and it looks sweet. So it's black and red to, fit with the color scheme. It has the detachable wrist rest here, so that can just pop off if you don't want to use it. Personally, I use it because it's definitely worth it. I like having it there, especially when you want to use it. It's got interchangeable, like you can customize what you want the backlight color to be: purple, blue, red. Obviously we're gonna go with the red because of the black and red color scheme we have going on here. For our mouse, we have the Mad Catz Rat 9 gaming mouse. Also Mad Catz, as I said before. Really nice black and red completely adjustable. I love the Rat 9 mouse. It is great for gaming, and it will look sweet too. For our monitors, we'll have 3 Asus Predator Z35 NVIDIA GeForce 35-inch curved gaming monitors. Put those up in a row, connect them all up, and then above that, you'll put the OLED TV, which I'll show you in a minute. Really sweet curved monitor, height adjustable. They're even overclockable to 200 Hz. So definitely what you need to hit that 4K mark gaming. And this computer is totally 4K overclockable. So we have the 55-inch LG OLED 4K 3D ready TV. I don't know, I always like to put a TV in there because it just gives this big image to stare at. It may not be 144 Hertz, but it's still really nice. And if you ever look at one of these OLED TVs, you'll never want to look at another TV in your life. The colors are so crisp, so clear. The blacks are so dark. You'll never want another TV in your life. Well, I take that back. You may want one, but I highly doubt it. Next, we have an Asus wireless adapter. It's a really nice one. Just try that. Plus, because if you're online gaming, you want to be able to stream that and just not be lagging. You never want to be that guy who's lagging. It always sucks. So that, and plus it'll look really sweet on your desk or on a shelf near your gaming setup. And finally, we have a Vertigear VG SL4000 series gaming chair. Really, really nice chair. Plus it's black and red to go with the whole color scheme. I'll show you a picture of it. It loads here. There it is. It's just beautiful. Really, really nice chair. I went with the black and red because of the whole color scheme I went with here. As you may have noticed, it just looks really good. And so guys, that's it. $1,800 gaming computer. It may be a bit much, but definitely worth it if you want to do 4K gaming, 3D gaming. It's definitely worth the money. That's it. I have this wish list public. If you want to go check it out yourself, make changes or anything. Thanks guys. That's it. If you liked this video, please leave me a like and comment anything you would change or want to add at all. Also, subscribe to my channel. Later.